Are you trying to check Internet Information Services or IIS event logs in your Windows Event Viewer? Then make sure to keep watching all this video to learn how to do that. Firstly, click the search option on your computer's taskbar. Open the Event Viewer in your computer. Then your Windows System Stock Event Viewer app should show up at the top of the results. Now clicking it will open it in a new window. Then in the new window, double-click Windows Logs. Select an application, and this will list all the application logs on the right-hand side of the Event Viewer window. Now in the new window, click the source heading at the top of the list, then double-click an IIS event log on the list. When you find the event you want to check, double-click on it to see the recorded log. Now that's how to check IIS event logs in your Windows Event Viewer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.